First, I must convert 60 centimeters to meters. And I can do this by knowing that centimeters to meters would move 2 units. 2 units to become 0.6 meters. Now, next step. The expression for this vector can be written as followed. Vector b equals bx plus by. Bx can also be written as 0.6 cosine 30. We get this equation by looking at how to find x. Using cosine 30, because this is adjacent to the angle and we're given our hypotenuse, which is now 0.6 meters, we will write that b of x over hypotenuse, because this is the adjacent, equals cosine 30. But because we're looking for this, we are going to multiply by the hypotenuse so that b of x equals hypotenuse cosine 30. And the hypotenuse is in fact 0.6. And the same thing can be applied to by, except this time we're looking at the y, which is opposite. So opposite over hypotenuse, which is sine 30, with our given hypotenuse would give us this equation. And so if we work it out, b of x equals 0.3 square root of 3. And by equals 0.3.